Jason Momoa and Channing Tatum were the best of brothers while partying in the Big Apple after the Batman premiere. Jason Momoa and Channing Tatum are two peas in a pod. In a series of pics shot by photographer Jason Roman, the actors were spotted having a great time post the Batman premiere in New York City on Tuesday, both showing up to support Zoe Kravitz, who plays Catwoman in the latest DC Comics flick. Channing, 41, is notably dating the 33-year-old actress, while Jason, 42, just recently split from Zoe's mother, Lisa Bonet, after 5 years of marriage. Word on the street, however, is Jason and Lisa moved back in together and may be giving things another shot. Seeing the Aquaman star not only show up to support his stepdaughter but also form a loving bond with her beau makes his possible reunion with Lisa all the more sweet. It's clear the guys have become great pals since Zoe began dating the actor, as Jason also posted an adorable series of photos to his Instagram a few days before the Batman premiere, preparing for the trip. "So excited at Channing Tatum and I are on our way to see our Zozo. Finally at the Batman premiere," Jason captioned the post of him and Channing standing on top of a roof and posing together. He went on to tell Zoe how proud he was of her and thanked the production company for making his invite to the premiere happen. Although Jason made a memorable appearance at the premiere, Lisa was notably missing. "Lisa couldn't be here, so we're representing, me and the babies," Jason told Entertainment Tonight at the event. "We're very excited to just be here," he told ET. "It's still family, you know? We're just so proud." Related gallery. The Batman premiere, photos of Robert Pattinson, Zoe Kravitz and more. According to an exclusive source, Lisa did not attend the premiere for two reasons. The main was she knew that, if she would have walked the carpet with Jason, last night would have turned into a Jason and Lisa walk carpet together sort of situation, and neither one of them wanted that to happen, the source told Hollywood Life. The event meant so much to Zoe, and the last thing that her parents wanted to do was to upstage her by walking a red carpet together. "They are so proud of her," the insider said, adding that there was also another reason that Lisa didn't get glammed up for the red carpet. "Lisa is more low-key and she always has been. She is fine with being a mom and wife at home right now. This was Zoe's time to shine, and Lisa is more than okay with chilling at home and looking at the photos from her phone," they said.